Welcome back to the channel Stock Market News Beat the Index. Today we'll speak about investing in value stocks on the stock market. Regardless of whether you're the kind of person who wouldn't be discovered dead wearing a cowboy hat openly, don't allow your own preferences to hinder understanding the basics that make Boot Barn Holdings one of the most alluring worthy stocks in 2022. Shares have taken off generally 800% throughout recent years. That is because of a top line that has taken off from just shy of $630 million in the monetary year finished spring 2017 to what is projected to be almost $1.5 billion toward the end of this financial year. Mattress Tempur Sealy International rode that wave amazingly, watching shares rise more than fourfold from March 2020 through fall of a year ago. Nonetheless, many investors have deserted the stock recently on the possibility that the redesign cycle is finished. For sure, TPX has lost almost a portion of its worth since September 2021. That has set out a major freedom for value investors. The 2013 concoction of the absolute greatest mattress brands on earth gives this organization profoundly dug involved with retailers. And keeping in mind that numerous people are purchasing mattress online nowadays, there's one thing that TPX has that these web-based business brands don't: a massive hospitality business, which keeps on looking areas of strength for exceptionally intense focus on a significant summer travel season after the pandemic. The profit yield is 1.4%. With regards to solid retail spending classes, it's difficult to come by a store that is more dependable than Carter's. This go-to brand is centered around children's clothing under its own nameplate, as well as under related brands like notable Oshkosh overalls. Admittedly, the development standpoint is somewhat unassuming here. Incomes are projected to extend by just single digits both in 2022 and 2023. Notwithstanding, Carter's is supposed to crush a lot of blood from that stone, with profit per share assessed to bounce by 14% this monetary fiscal and another 11% in financial 2023 assuming current projections hold. The profit yield is 3.3%. Big box shop Target, at more than $110 billion in market esteem, is one of the biggest U.S. retailers out there. However, in spite of the fact that Target makes careful arrangements to offer greater goods and more stylish attire than its down-market rivals, this big box monster is itself being limited in 2022, setting out an ideal freedom for those searching out esteem stocks to purchase right now. The profit yield probably won't torch the house. At 1.5%, it's better compared to the more extensive S&P 500 yet more terrible than 10-year T-note. In any case, Target is a dividend aristocrat that has hung together 50 years' worth of continuous payout development, and with yearly payouts simply adding up to $3.60 per offer and income set to approach $16 per share next fiscal year. A $26 billion home building organization, d.r.horton has a quite straightforward business. It gains land, builds residential homes on the sites, then sells the finished houses for a hefty profit. It works under the d.r.horton brand, as well as Express Homes, Emerald Homes, and Freedom Homes. It likewise offers contract support and related administrations to assist with placing purchasers in their new homes. If you own a home or are looking for a home at the present moment, odds are good that you're receptive to the steadily rising qualities in many business sectors. The profit yield is 1.2%. Many organizations are looking for new opportunities to keep a great mass of information. In this case they use big data services. To get more information, click the previous video on our YouTube channel.